So we start off today's video with this hair color transformation. She ended up going with this bright, blonde, beautiful pixie haircuts. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some major haircut, hair color, and just overall transformations. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone going purple with their buzz cuts. Wow! Such a dramatic, bold choice. I love it. And then we have someone adding in some color to their hair. Oh wow, looks like she also decided to liven things up with this beautiful bright blonde hair coloring. And then we move on to someone with long brunette hair. Looks like she's also going to be dyeing her hair a new hair shade. Very nice, like more of like an ombre for the coloring. Very soft, sombre blonde. And we have another blonde transformation here. This one's more like a warm blonde tone. Few face framing highlights. Really subtle color added around the bang area. And then we have more of a big chop transformation. So I wonder if she's going to be adding in some color with this one as well. Wow, gorgeous. Beautiful blonde, shoulder length bob style. Then we have another color change for the next one. Also deciding to go blonde. Beautiful bright blonde coloring. This one also features very soft, subtle highlights around the face. And then we have the stunning blonde lob. Beautiful tousled waves mixed in with the style. Followed by another hair color transformation. So she also decided to go with a brighter blonde variation and also getting those kind of subtle highlights around the face. Next up, another color change. Beautiful ombre warm blonde color variation with the subtle highlights to frame out the face. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.